Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and do some DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now what I did right here, this vase I purchased from the Dollar Tree and I went ahead and did a DIY with it. I'm going to see if I find the video and link it below. So we're going to go ahead and do a floral arrangements. All of the flowers did come from Dollar Tree as well. And we're going to be making two, and one of them is a trash to treasure. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Wood Rounds or Wreath Wednesdays, and this is being hosted by Low Lids Creations DIY, DIY with Aria, and the guest this month is Sunflower Tasha DIY. Now I am going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. So I think this arrangement came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. Now let's move on to the second one. Now I always keep my jars, clean them off, make sure and remove the label, and we're going to go ahead and be making a trash to treasure. So we're going to start out by painting the jar. I'm going to do the whole jar in this beautiful pink color called Cameo Pink by Apple Barrel, and I purchased that at Walmart. So I may or may not be making a bow with this red ribbon. I absolutely love this ribbon. It is beautiful. And then I also saw the buffalo check one, so we'll see which way I go with this. Now I am going to be painting the lid as well, even though I probably will not be using it. I'll just kind of lay it next to what I'm going to call a vase. So we're going to give this one coat, let that fully dry, and then I'm going to come back with a second coat, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now, I went back to my stash and I found these conversation heart stickers, and we're going to be using one of these on the jar. I think that'll look nice. And while the paint is still wet, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle it with that iridescent glitter. It's going to come out amazing. So I'm gonna let that sit there and dry, and I'm gonna go run in my stash and go get some flowers. I'll be right back. So instead of getting flowers, I decided to get some greenery. Then I wanted to use this buffalo check bow that was already in my stash, already made, but I didn't want to take away from the heart that was on the jar. So what I did was I tied the bow onto one of the stems of the greenery that's going in the jar. So you'll see what I mean. I think this is a great idea, not to take away from the design of the jar. Now, the Dollar Tree usually has some hanging decor. They're usually on a ribbon. It's either 3 or 4. So I usually pull those off, put some hot glue on the back with a skewer, and you can use them as picks for anything really, but I use them in floral arrangements. You can stick them anywhere and they look so nice. So I think these arrangements came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Let's head on over to that reveal.